Are you struggling to sell your house in Florence, Arizona? If you need to sell your house fast and without any hassle, then you're in the right place. Kevin Buys Houses is a trusted local cash buyer with over 20 years of experience in the real estate industry. In as little as 7 days, we can have cash in your hand. We can help with a variety of situations, including foreclosure, divorce, relocating, inherited property, vacant houses, mortgage problems, probate, liens, downsizing, major repairs, or if you're a tired landlord. Kevin Buys Houses can help. The traditional real estate process can be a hassle. You have to clean and repair the property, find a reliable agent, deal with piles of paperwork, and there's always the risk of a buyer backing out at the last minute. We make it easy. Simply visit our website and provide your basic information, and we'll provide you with a fair all-cash offer within 24 hours. We can close when you're ready, and if your house is in rough shape, don't worry, we'll take care of it. We buy houses with cash, so there's no need to rely on traditional bank financing. Our goal is to help make your life easier and get you out from under the property that's stressing you out, while still paying a fast, fair, and honest price for your house. So, if you're ready to sell your house in Florence, Arizona, call us now at 480-650-2709 or visit kevinbuyshouses.com to get started. We'll take care of the rest and get you the cash you need, fast.